Here's a question for couples. Are you financially aligned?
Many couples think they are until they actually talk about the details.
So today, we're going to walk through a quick mini quiz. Just 5 questions to help you see where you stand.
Here's how this works. We'll ask 5 questions. Answer honestly, not what you think you should say, but what's actually true.
Okay, here we go. Question 1. Do you know how much you have saved for retirement? Not just a rough idea, the actual numbers.
Question 2. Have you talked about what happens if one of you passes away unexpectedly? Would the surviving spouse be financially secure?
And question 3. Do you agree on how much financial support to give your kids? College, weddings, helping with a down payment?
Question 4. Have you updated your beneficiary forms and estate plan in the last 3 years? Or are you assuming everything is still accurate?
Question 5. Can you both describe your ideal retirement in 3 sentences? And would your descriptions match?
If you answered yes to all 5 questions, congratulations. You're in great shape.
If you answered no or I'm not sure to even 1 or 2, you're not alone. Most couples haven't had these conversations yet.
And that's okay. The important thing is starting now.
At White Oak Planning, we help couples get aligned. We facilitate the conversations that lead to clarity.
And we do it in a way that's calm, structured, and judgment-free. Because alignment isn't about being perfect. It's about being on the same page.
If this quiz revealed some gaps, let's close them together.
Schedule a complimentary Connect call with us. We'll walk through where you are and help you build a plan that brings you into alignment.
I'm April with White Oak Planning. If this quiz was helpful, subscribe and share this.
And I'm Jerry. When your plan is rooted in clarity, your family can grow stronger together. We're White Oak Planning, helping blended families find financial clarity and grow stronger together.